So a little over 1 month ago, I decided to fund a Moomoo account with $500 to prove to you it's not about how much money you have, it's all about the approach and strategy you use when it comes with swing trading and trading in the stock market. And in today's video, we are going to be doing an update on the $500 account challenge. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And if you want to learn more about swing trading, I highly recommend checking out the Swing Trading Masterclass. That is our school where I teach people this approach. I teach people how to find undervalued stocks, my strategies, my mindset. It's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, we have a group chat, we have quizzes, we got lectures, everything you guys need for mastering swing trading. So I'll make sure you guys check it out down below, and you guys can use code CHALLENGE for 50% off because we're doing the $500 account challenge. So check that out. But guys, let's jump into this here. So when it comes to swing trading and trading in the market, a lot of people think that I'm trying to turn $500 into $100 million or a million or 100,000 in one day, in a week, right? In a month. No. When it comes to swing trading and trading in the stock market, you have to have very, very realistic expectations. My approach with this strategy that I'm going to be showing you guys today, it's base hits. And what I mean by that, it's taking profit at 1, 2, 3% returns. And what you do is you compound it over a year. And the reason I say that is because if that's just say you grow your account to $550, now your purchasing power is $550 compared to $500. Now your profits will be larger, but so will your losses. But that's why you have to have good risk management skills. And we'll be talking about that here today. So guys, let's dive into this here. So looking at the stock here, we took a trade on ticker symbol DOV here. Now for my strategy and approach, it's very, very simple. I love the expression miss. Make it simple, stupid. Don't overcomplicate your trading. I'm somebody that I have 5 indicators on my charts. I don't love a million on here. So let's go ahead and see, my approach. So with ticker symbol DOV, the first thing I look for is an upward trend. And looking at this stock here, boom, boom, we have that really nice upward trend, which actually does have that nice trend line as well. Another thing that we want to look for is support. So support is just where we get tendencies of getting buying pressure. It could be at indicators, it could be at a certain price. It all depends on the stock. So with ticker symbol DOV, I understood we had support here near and around this blue line. This blue line is what we call the 90-day moving average line. So now what I did is a couple months later, we got sell off here back down to it. And this is where we entered the trade near and around 175.50. My approach with this was very, very simple. Using that 90-day moving average line as support, we also had the MACD indicator, the signal line, cross up through the MACD line, which historically does represent a good confirmation to buy. Very similar to like we saw right in here where we had that beautiful breakout rallying up. Another indicator we use is something called the RSI. The RSI was trading for about a 40, which yes, could be a little premium for this stock, or for most stocks, but each stock is different. So what I always do is I want to look back at recent points of contact where it was trading for a 40. So the last point was right in here where we had this good move. Previous to that was right here where we had that good move. So I understood that yes, it's a 40 on the RSI, but the 2 previous points of contact when it was at a 40 was great buying pressure. Okay, the next thing I look for is volume. You guys can see that we've had some nice volume, and volume is very, very important. You want to make sure you can get in and out of your positions with ease. You don't want to be caught holding, and volume is what helps fuel the stock here. So now that we're talking about this here, what we're doing is we're actually creating a checklist, right? So a checklist is a list that I would highly recommend developing for buying a stock, because you don't want to just buy any old random company. You want to buy a stock that meets your strategy and your criteria. Now, in order to do that, now you don't have to do that. I love writing it down. I have a trading journal. I absolutely love it. and this is the one I sell on Amazon, but you don't need this. This just helps it keep your trades more organized. You can do the same thing with the 99 cent notebook from Walmart. It all comes down to just you and making sure you can get in and out of your positions and understand exactly what's going on with the stock. So now that we understood that, now let's actually draw out our position. So we took a trade, like I said, near around 75.50, right on that 90-day moving average line. Now, what we did here is we set our stop loss, about 2% from the 90-day moving average line. Now, the reason why I did it there is because I understood that this thing pretty much hits it and moves. Very rare does it dip below it. So I wanted to have a relatively tight stop loss, especially with a small account. With swing trading, especially with a larger account, the easiest thing you guys should do is when you're wrong, right? You took a trade and you're wrong. Cut your losses. But when you're right, don't be afraid to add more to your position, right? Dial in on that. So you guys can see the risk and reward was almost about it was at about a 3-to-1 here, because I set our target at some resistance up here at 88 to 85. So now our risk and reward is 3.53. So now I'm risking $1 to make $3.53, which is absolutely fantastic. So now we have very, very high probability, right? We have good upward trend. Stock on a support line, undervalued on the RSI. The signal line broke through the MACD line. We're going through and we're pretty much just checking off all of this on our list. So, guys, that is pretty much it. Right now, our total account balance for this challenge is sitting near and around $637, which is absolutely fantastic. And I know people say, Carter, you only made $130 in a little over a month. Yes, that's completely fine. My job as a trader is to make money, and as long as I'm doing that, I'm happy. And the only thing that's separating me from making more money is just my account size. So you got to have that long-term mindset. Trading is not an easy way to get rich quick. It requires discipline, hard work, practice. Just like any old career, you have to treat it like that. If you treat it like an easy way to get rich quick, you'll get very, very bad results, because you're going to have no risk management. You're going to be just buying random companies that you see on YouTube. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it, but overall I hope you guys learned something. If you did, like, subscribe, and don't forget, you guys can use code CHALLENGE for 50% off the Swing Trading Masterclass, which is our beautiful school. So check that out. But guys, hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend. And guys, we are going to be going live today at 1, doing an update on our total accounts here with our larger account and our small account. So check that out, and we'll see you guys in there. So hope you guys have a great day. Take care.